not hear the answer. Can you say it louder? How are you? Are you fine? Ma'am is fine too. Thank you. Okay, today we will learn 3 actions. Yeah, we are going to learn 3 actions. The first one is turn around. What is the action? Turn around. Just like this. Turn around. Then the next action is clap your hands. Okay? Clap your hands. After that, the last action is your favorite action. I'm sure you love to do this. It is jump. What is it? Jump. Can we all jump? Okay? 1, 2, 3, jump. Jump. Oh wow, look at you. You're jumping so high. That's so nice. Can you touch the sky? You're jumping so high. Can you touch the sky? Okay, can we sing the rhyme? We'll sing the rhyme and do the actions now. Come on. All of you ready? Stand up. Yes, put your hands on your hip. Hands on your hip and let's do the action. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, clap your hands. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Can we do it again? Yes? Are you all teddy bears? No, you are little sweet children. Yes? Okay, now again. Hands on your head. Are we ready? Here we go. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, clap your hands. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. That's nice. Very good. Did you have fun? Ma'am had lots of fun. Children, do you have many toys at home? Yes, you play with all your toys? Is there any one toy that you love the most? Will you run and bring that toy? Ma'am wants to see which is your favorite toy. Do you want to see which is ma'am's favorite? Yes, ma'am has many toys at home. But here, this is my favorite toy. Hi. You know his name? Okay, this teddy bear's name is Blackie. What is this teddy bear's name? Blackie. Yes, see, this is a big teddy bear. Hello. Blackie. He is Blackie. Yes, look at his color. Yeah. What color is this? Black. Yes, his color is black. Look at his nose. The nose is also black. So, do you have any other things at home which are black in color? Can you go and look and see which are the things that are black in color, just like Blackie? Children, here are some pictures showing black colored objects and animals. A black bear. A black dress. A black crow. A black hat. A black pen. Black shoes. Black umbrella. Children, can we sing a song now? Are you ready? Here we go. Black is the color of this teddy bear. Black is the color of the hair on my head. Black is the color of the crow outside. Black is the color of the pen I have. Black is the color of my umbrella. Black is the color of the shoes I wear. Black is the color of my dress, dress, dress. Black is the color of my bag, bag, bag. Children, I hope you have seen all the things that are black. Okay, say bye to Blackie. We'll see you soon. Hi children, do you remember the squeezing activity? Last time we did the squeezing activity with a sponge. Do you remember? Did you do it at home? Yes? Did you do it? Did you have fun? That's nice. Today, ma'am will show you another activity. This is called sorting activity. What is it? Sorting activity. Yes. Why are we doing all these activities? We are doing squeezing activity, scribbling, then we are now going to do sorting activity. Why are we doing all this, children? It is to make your fingers very strong so that you can hold the pencil and crayon and write neatly and color neatly. Okay, so all these exercises, activities will make your finger muscles strong. Okay, are you ready for the sorting activity? Okay children, here we go. So we have 3 bowls here. Okay, see, in the first bowl we have some beans or rajma. In the second bowl we have chickpeas or kabuli chana, and in the last bowl here we have some dry green peas. Okay, so with your mummy's help you can do this activity. Okay, now we are going to put all the beans in this big bowl. Chickpeas and the dry green peas. Okay, we have put all of it in this big bowl and we are going to mix it. Now begins our activity. Now you have to be very careful. You will use only 2 fingers, your thumb and your pointer finger. With these 2 fingers, you will pick up a bean and you will put it in a bowl. Take the next one and put it in another bowl. Now we will take another one. This is green peas. We will put it in the third bowl. Okay, this way we have to sort all of them. Okay, are we ready? It's going to be great fun. Come on, let's see who's going to finish the first. Let's start. Here we go. Use 2 fingers and pick up the beans and put it in the bowl. See, ma'am is using only 2 fingers. This is chickpeas. Chickpeas will go in that bowl. Here. See, ma'am is using 2 fingers and picking up the chickpeas, and I am putting it in that bowl. Now let's take some green peas. Here we go. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, chickpeas. Let's take some chickpeas now. Very good. You're doing well. That's nice. Let's complete the activity, children. We are sorting and we are making our muscles stronger and stronger. Okay, let's do it. Now let's take some beans. That's great. Wow. This is called the sorting activity. See, all the 3 bowls are filling up. Very good. Well done, children. You're doing great. Come on, let's complete the activity. Here we go. Okay, almost the rajma is getting over. Here we are almost sorting out the rajma. Yes, let's take some chickpeas now. Oh, I got a rajma. Rajma goes in this bowl. Chickpeas goes in this bowl. Green peas will go in this bowl. Two fingers, pick up the bean and put it in the correct bowl. Where will this go? Chickpeas will go here? Here? No, it will go here. Very good. Yes. Chickpeas. Oh, we have only one rajma left. Finished. Now we have to sort the chickpeas. Let's take all the chickpeas. Okay, now very few are left in the bowl. Very good, we are completing our activity. 2 fingers. Yes, 2 fingers we are using and picking up the chickpeas. We have finished sorting the beans, rajma beans, and yay, we have finished sorting the chickpeas also. Now only green peas is left. Can we put the green peas in the green peas bowl? Very good, children, you are doing great. Your activity is coming to an end. Very good, we are almost there. And here we are coming to the last green piece. Yay, finished. Well done. So children, this is how we do the sorting activity. Okay, this will make your fingers strong. That's great. You know, only with your mummies and papa's help you should do this activity. Don't try to do it alone. Okay, your mummy and papa will arrange everything for you and you will do the activity with your mummy and papa. Okay children, be very careful when you are doing this activity and have lots of fun. Bye-bye. Take care.